Are you struggling to eliminate organic odors such as mildew and smoke from your residential or commercial spaces? At Vaportek, we develop products that improve quality of life by improving air quality. We use safe, green technology to ensure tough odors aren't just masked, they're eliminated. Other odor eliminators can be dangerous, messy, or difficult to use. Some require evacuation or specialized safety equipment and training because their chemical components can damage property or cause health problems. But at Vaportek, we use essential oil-based products to safely and effectively neutralize the odor and the hassle permanently. Most odor-eliminating products address malodor by masking it with fragrance. But Vaportek's dry vapor technology uses compounds made from plant, flower, and tree extracts to neutralize the malodors at the source and leave you with fresh air. As the essential oil compounds are introduced to the air as dry vapor, they react with the individual malodor molecules and begin a process called odor pairing or encapsulation. This process allows the malodor molecules to be broken down beyond recognition, eliminating the offending scent. Dry vapor compounds have high mobility in the air and are able to safely penetrate porous substances and other surfaces in a way that competitors' products cannot. Vaportek's technology treats atmosphere, contents, and structures simultaneously. The growth and development of our technology comes from decades of American ingenuity and innovation. In the 1960s, when John D. Bryson was vice president of the Ventures division of Will Ross Incorporated, a healthcare and hospitality supply firm, he adapted technology originally developed for boats to treat odors in hospital cancer wards. Initially, Bryson's system was used in hospitals and nursing homes, but it was quickly adopted by other markets with odor problems. Eventually, larger industrial units were developed for use in sewage treatment plants and manufacturing firms. Today, Vaportek continues to branch out into other markets facing organic odor issues. Since 1979, we have remained a family-owned and operated American manufacturer. And our dedicated workforce in Sussex, Wisconsin continues to develop innovative, environmentally preferable products for worldwide distribution. Vaportek is the leader in safe, natural odor elimination. Our customers agree that our products are easy to use and our technology is more effective than the competition at eliminating unwanted odors. In fact, according to customer surveys, our products received excellent ratings in each service category.